1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. No pause, no breathing. Start chest compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Adult patient.
1, 2.
If the patient is a child, press the child button. Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the picture. Press pads firmly on skin. 30. Give 2 breaths. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised.
Don't touch patient. Press flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Start CPR.
Rescuer should continue CPR. Begin with 30 chest compression followed by 2 rescue breaths. Reanalyze rhythm every 2 minutes. It is important to change compressor roll every 2 minutes to prevent fatigue and maintain the quality of CPR. Compressor roll change in less than 5 seconds. In special situations, water, wipe off the chest. Transdermal medication patches must be removed. Chest hair should be shaved with a razor. Implant the device at least 1 inch away from the pads. Do not place the pads direct on the implanted devices.